If you want to add a photo to a contact on POCO M8 Pro, what you can do is you can open the phone app, and then on the home page we should be able to go to contacts list. For example, we can use this view contacts option, or tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and choose contacts in here. Then we're gonna choose the contact for which we want to add the photo, tap on this pen icon in the upper right corner, and then we can tap on this avatar in here. Now we can open the camera in order to take a photo right now. We can also go for the gallery, we can switch to Google Photos, we can also select a monogram or an illustration. In my case, I'm gonna open the gallery in here, and then we can choose whichever image we want to use. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one, and let's actually zoom in. There we go. We can of course adjust the photo a little bit, we can rotate it if needed, and then we can tap on choose, and of course we can save in the upper right corner. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.